What are we gonna buy? Fireworks. Say fireworks. What are we going to buy? Fireworks. No, fireworks. Good morning. Good morning, mga momsies. Hailey said good morning. It's sunny today, but cold. Tugnaw kayo diri. Nag-jacket ni si Hailey. We're going to the shop to buy fireworks for this week's event. Dum 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 dum. Paddle, 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 paddle. Solar. What are we going to buy? Fireworks. Can you say fireworks? Nice fireworks. And food. Oh, ha? 7 degrees. Dum, 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 dum. Okay. Hailey walks fast. Yes. No, we're going. Fireworks. We're going inside. We're gonna buy fireworks. Woohoo! We're going here. Okay. Hailey. What is that? What's that? What's that, Hailey? Fireworks. That's called fireworks. Where do you want to go, Hailey? Where do you want to go? Out? Let's wait for Daddy Hailey. Let's sanitize first. Namis, we are here at Iceland. Namalit mi og itlog. And mo ni among pamalit nga fireworks. Look. I'll ipakita later. Akong ba na pa sa sulod. And Hailey and I and Kaylee, we're outside playing. And I go practice of driving. Reverse. Parking. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom. Wow. Wow. I know we have a lot of spam. Cheerios, Hailey. Hailey loves Cheerios. Yes. Nom nom nom. Hala, ano ni? What's this? Cauliflower. No. Yeah. Where? Where? Cheerios, yay! Cheerios. Daddy. Again? Fireworks. What's this?
Oh, wow.
What's this?
Wow, wow.
Good. Purple. Wow.
Wow, wow, wow. Daddy.
Please, Daddy.
Daddy.
To be honest.